Epson's new QS100B is super fast to install, crazy bright, and provides incredible color pop and vibrancy on screen. Guys, check out these demos of this brand new ultra short throw laser projector that I just installed. Let's go! All right, guys, welcome back to another episode. I just wanted to give a quick breakdown and my initial first thoughts of this brand new QS100B. So initially, before, I had the LS800, which is the exact same footprint. They're physically the same size. So if you have the previous iteration, you can swap it out, guys, to the new one, which, to give you a quick little recap, it is a brighter. That is the big difference, guys. This thing can perform really well. And their previous iteration, the LS800, if you have one at home, you know it performed really well. This is even better. They have 4500s of color and white. The specifications on that we'll dive to in a deeper video. But generally speaking, we got more brightness. We have no speakers now. They got rid of the speaker system and they put in eARC, so we can pass our enhanced audio return channel down to our AVR for full-blown Dolby Atmos effects. Additionally, they got rid of the smart interface and we got a new remote because we don't need to control the smart interface. No more Android system slowing it down. It just turns on and has a fast boot up mode to get you right to that input that you need. In addition to that, it works with all our control platforms, making it very easy to integrate in with any control system. Now here at Dreamedia, guys, we pride ourselves on putting together the full-blown picture, the full system design. Whether that is your entire property, we do Dreamedia Plus projects where we do the full-blown system design from start to finish, including seating charts, screen size, renderings, 3D animation fly-throughs, the full speaker layout, every little detail to plan your next dream home. We can do that. In addition to, we do single room designs. If you just want a home theater, give us a call and we'll help you out with the full-blown room design. You can also shop online and just order this Epson that we talked about today through our online store. So many different routes to go, but here at Dreamedia, we believe in getting hands-on and really helping you hand select the products that are specific for your exact needs and budget. Call our specialist, pick their mind, and let's build that dream package today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick run through of the differences and the upgrades going from the LS800 ultra short throw projector from Epson now to the brand new QS100B from Epson, which is also an ultra short throw 20,000 hour laser projector with 4,500 lumen laser projection output. This thing is an absolute beast and a must-have in any flex space where you have ambient light. To learn more, reach out today and speak with one of our specialists, schedule that consultation, and dive in today. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.